Hello everyone, and welcome to Animal Company again. Today I don't have anybody with me, but as you have noticed, there is no longer snow anywhere. And to be honest with you, I don't like the snow update. I don't. I mean, well, obviously the mountain is still here and stuff, but also there's like an OG forest update over there. And I want to go check that out. So I'm just gonna get like a backpack. Just gonna get like a standard thing, like let's say baseball bat. We'll get just that and baseball bat. I mean, sure. You know, I don't see why not. I do want a grappler though. Oh, okay. I hate the new buying system, by the way. I honestly hate it. I prefer the old one so much better. Okay. Oh, wow. Dude, this is all like... Oh my... Dude, does anybody remember the boombox that was like right here on this specific rock? In like the old map? Bro, my tracking is actually... Dude, as soon as I can, I either need to get a new controller or a new headset. Because I need to get off this quest too. Well... Honestly, though, I think I'm going to be fine with it for now, but... Shotgun shells in this thingy. Wait, I don't know what does more damage, honestly, but I'm going to just use these anyway. Dark Forest. I kind of want to go... Wait a minute. Guys. If I turn... Armstrong Cave is back? No way! That is so cool. Wait, dude, I miss this place so much. I hear a mimic in there. Although I want to go over to Chicken because I have not been to Chicken in so long. It's actually ridiculous how long it's been. Bro. Dude. Oh, I know this has been in the game for like this before this update it was in, but bro, dude, oh man. Looking back at this there's no point to be over here. Bro. Like, there's nothing, there's tape. I might want to get that tape actually. How close do I have to be? I forgot. Okay. Okay. You have met your match, maybe. I don't know. I missed. That was a terrible throw. Oh, geez, when could you jump? I forgot about that. Ooh, Chaos Axe. I will be taking that. Okay, egg. How much does the egg even sell for? I don't remember, honestly. I'm just gonna pick up all this random crap and go sell it, because why not? Because honestly, I'm so happy that they made this update. Okay, I just lost my chaos. I didn't say that. I didn't voice crack. What? I didn't stutter right there, totally. Why is the spider here? What? They're not supposed to be here. Okay, tape. What is this? This is forest? I already have forest, don't I? Oh, yeah, I already have forest. From the, other update. From last update. Wait, what? How did you come out of my backpack? What? That's weird. Alright. I don't expect this to sell for, like, anything, really. But, I mean, I don't really need anything because I have, like, $1 million, man. I have I have 1,600,000, so. But if I had that many subscribers, on the other hand, that'd be really good. And I'm kidding. I'm not gonna be one of those people. Or maybe that amount of like. No, I'm kidding. But seriously, please, please subscribe and like. Please, please. Just please. Like, it's convincing me to keep moving. And it's very nice. And thank you. Seriously. Let's see here. We have this. We're gonna go mining now. So, pickaxe. I prefer pickaxe in my off hands. Or in my right hands, I mean. I prefer the grappling hook in my off hand just because of the fact that I can, it's the fact that I can, like, if my tracking does something bad, it doesn't, like, you know, mess with my right controller and screw me up. I don't want to deal with you. But on the other hand, I will get this gold. I need to turn down the volume on that. Obviously, just gonna turn down the volume on my headset, but like, bro. Oh, you. Research. Alright, you need to go. Matter of fact, I should probably get out of this specific room! I don't know why I got that scared. Another grappler. Thank you. I will be taking that. Okay, I no longer have lights, which I thought I picked up. It's over there, but honestly, I want to get out of here now. I don't know, it's spooky in here without my friends. And it honestly is spooky just being in the, you know, code alone, but whatever. At least it's not Gorilla Tag spooky, you know? Gorilla Tag spooky is an entirely different thing. Also, why are the... I don't know what's going on with these grapplers. I don't really care, but, like, it's weird. Oh, wait, I didn't claim this today, did I? Hold on. Please. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna save up my money. Something. But, for the rest of the time that I'm gonna record this video, I'm gonna do something. I'm thinking about building something. Let's see, what do I have in my building machine right now? Box? What even... Oh, this thing. I don't like it. Okay, well, I'm gonna need to get more slots, so I'm gonna save up my research points, but, my tracking is dying, really, man, come on. It's in front of my face right now, and it's like, over here, when it's right here for me. Okay, so, let's see, what should I buy? Should I buy... No, I don't think I should buy anything with the research points yet. But I will say that I'm going to start building a machine of some sort with goop. I don't exactly know what this machine is going to be, but we'll see. I'm thinking, what if we make, like... What if we make... I wanted to make a helicopter at first, but that's going to be difficult. What if we made, like, a... Ooh, wait, no. What if we made, like, a big mech suit? That's a good idea. I think that's what we should do. Oh, I forgot I had that boundary right there. But... I'm thinking we start with cardboard box? Like, as the body or something? I should save up for the arms, too. That's another thing. Well, I don't actually have anything, do I, for what I'm trying to build? Well, okay. Metal rods? I'm thinking, okay, what do I do for the arms? Should I... Ooh, these would be cool arms. These would be too chunky. But, I will say, the metal rods might actually be the best one. I mean, they're really small. I mean, if we... It would be expensive, but if we made these, like, 4x4... Or what, 2x2, I mean? I'm stupid. Like, what if we put them next to each other? Like, so... Oh my... Dude. What the frick? Like, what if we glued them into each other like this? And then we had another set and another one over here. I could see that working. And I don't actually see why not, so let's do it. Let me get my goop. Where's the goop? Where's the goop? What? Oh, there it is. Dude, the metal rods are... Really? Really? I'm so tired of that stupid thing. Okay, well, now that I have both these rods, I'm gonna take this rod, put them just like so. I think that should be... Oh, I actually did that pretty well, actually. Okay, now that... Actually, let me... Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be together. Okay. Yeah, let me buy 2 more pieces. Okay, that I needed that anyway. I was gonna buy 2 pieces of goop. But, whatever, I'll just do this. This is the one that I can pick up? Yeah. Really? Come on. I pressed the drop button and it just stayed in my hand, so I don't understand what's happening. I think what's happening is this is going... My joystick, it has stick grip, so it's going down like this, and then I can't interact with anything when it's doing that. Which is stupid. And for some reason when it happens, it makes my items, like, really small. So, yeah, that's kind of annoying. That's been happening a lot lately. You... And you. No, don't roll away. That's the only issue with having a round object like that. Have it frickin' roll away from you. Let's go. Dude, come on. Bro. Dude, let me just grab the goop. And now everything's rolling away. Dude. Whatever. Good enough. Stupid... My tracking. That's not correct. Dude. Thank you. Now, where did the other rod go? There it is. At least I only need to build one of these to spawn in both of them. Dude, why does it bounce off? This the one? Yes. Stop bouncing. Okay. That is so bad, bro. Why does it stick to the ground? Why are you disobeying physics? Okay. Come back! Oh. Dude, I need to fix my boundary soon, because I'm gonna freaking run away from my boundary. Okay, now, I think this is good enough. Now I'm just gonna go run over to the machine, save this, spawn it in for a second time, and then I'm gonna glue another one of these on this side. This is gonna be expensive, I think. I don't even care that I just did that. Okay. Bam. Why did it come out worse than it actually is? Whatever, man. I don't care. I don't even care. Actually go down that much yet. Bro, come on. You have a cooldown for this too? I mean, you could crash a game with that, but like... You don't have to put cooldowns on everything, man. Good enough. Now... This is like a limb. Hold on, this needs to be straighter. Dude, my boundary! Stupid tracking and crap. Why is it bouncing off? Let me pick it up. Okay. Now, I believe that is sort of whatever. That's good enough. I don't care. I don't even care anymore. This is the best I can do right now. Matter of fact, why did I buy those two when I could just... My brain's not propering... What? Wait, what? Oh, no. Okay, that's what I did wrong. I need to clear this. Then I need to save this. And then I need to take it off the stupid... whatever it's called. And then spawn two of these. Now, that's the arms. You know, why did I make the arms burst thinking about it now? I mean, it works, but I don't know. It's kind of weird that I made the arms before I did anything else. Okay, I need to make this, like, lighter, so I need to add, like, something that would do... I mean, necessarily, it doesn't also need to be fast. That's another thing. But, like, if I had, like, a teleport gun on, like, the right or left arm or something like that, that'd be great. So I'm thinking that these are the arms for... I don't think I'm gonna build the body for a while, actually. Just because they're usually kind of a pain to build. Now, I will do this, though. I will take a teleport gun. Actually, which arm would I want it on? Probably the left one, right? I want it, like, right here. Or something like that. Okay. Dude, this is so stupid. Okay. Okay, now that I built that, I think it's gonna be like that. So now, if I wanted to teleport, I could just, yeah. I don't think I need a grappler. I mean, teleport guns are better. Well, debatable, actually. Well, in this case, it's better, at least. I'm not gonna, like, you know, make any beef with you guys. Dude, my stupid boundary. I wish... This is the thing. I went in the bathroom to wash my hands while I had my VR on. And then it changed my boundary. And then I came back out here, and then it changed my boundary again to this and deleted my other boundary. And I forgot to fix it before I started recording. So, that's good. Totally. Okay, bro. That is so expensive. I just heard, like, goop over here. What? Oh, yeah, the stuff over here is probably despawning. Yeah. Okay, that makes perfect sense. Totally. Not complete nonsense. I will be taking your goops. Okay. No, I'm gonna take a... I can't speak today. I'm gonna get a bag. I'm gonna put on the bag. Well, okay, I already had a bag. Whatever. And now I'm gonna take the, this and put it here, and then take the bag, and yeah. Actually, no, it would make sense for the bag to go get glued first, and then this, so that when you put it on, it doesn't, you know. Oh, wait, I put it on backwards. Wait a minute. Whoa. What was with that? Wait, why am I trying to look down at it, Leslie? I quit speaking. I quit speaking. I'm kidding. I don't. What am I doing, dude? I'm gonna lose it if my tracking does this one more time. Like, what is... I can't even do anything. Can't even grab that. Okay, I don't know about that. But I will say that I don't think it needs a body, actually. I mean, just as this for now is probably fine, but if I did, like, the box thing, the box thing would be great, I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. It might be... I have the bag, and I need to remember I have the bag, so... Where's the... There's no box, bro! Okay, there it is. I don't know why I'm saying there's no box, even though I know for a fact there's a box. I'm just, you know, gaslighting myself. Bro, come on. Okay. Yep, I think that's what we're going for. Now... I have both these. Okay. I think I basically made it. The only thing it's missing is an ogre fist, so that it can, you know, punch. Do I have an ogre fist? I don't think I have those unlocked. Yeah, I don't. That's quite unfortunate. I just said I'm saving up for cosmetic, and I just did that. A shovel. I don't know why a shovel has anything to do with what I'm talking about, but a shovel. Pipe. Ooh, the spear's kind of cool. Wait, what if I attached a spear to that and, like, attached an ogre fist to it later on? I think I'm just gonna save up for ogre fist, actually. But right now, I think it's missing a... You could slap an umbrella on the box, maybe. Oh, wait, no, I have an idea. What if I did this? So I take this off, right? Oh, I thought they despawned. I'm like, no! Now I'm thinking, what if we have, like, something to propel it upwards? Hooked to a... What are those guns called? I don't know where it is. could be in... No, this thing, yeah. What if you have one of these and go, bam. So that... I don't know why I threw that. So that when we use...